And your choice for favorite dramatic movie actress is our friend Dakota Johnson.
Leslie just broke my dress. Okay, so, well, it's not like nobody here hasn't already seen my boobs. Thank you so much to the fans. This is really, and I am so incredibly grateful. Thank you for supporting our movie. Thank you to everyone at Universal, Sam Taylor Johnson, E.L. James, Jamie Dornan. Couldn't have done it without you. Okay, that's it.